The boys did sleep until like 6:30 this morning. Maybe it's gonna be a good day. Christmas morning part 2 is what Charleston just said.
He doesn't like new toys.
All right, I'll leave you be. I gotta run. You gotta do your thing.
I pulled out the coolest thing first.
See you in a sec.
The pull-up bar.
Yeah.
Look at that.
How's it going in here?
We are getting close. All right, 2 down, 3 to go.
It's a busy basement between workouts, assembly, and printing. That sound doesn't sound good. It sounds like I'm scraping up the print. I might cancel this one. I don't know what's going on. I just did an update. Never do an update. I'm trying to calibrate my first layer, and that just doesn't look right at all. I don't know if it's too close or too far, but like, it looks good over here. And it looks terrible for the rest of it. Ah, this is so hard. Right now, this is at a 0.1 mil for most of it. Are these all just build plate defects? Because this was on the last build plate, which was imperfect, but pretty good. Like, it's too loose there, it's too tight there. But like, this one just sucks with the exact same settings. It looks good to me, but I'm a novice. I have no idea what I'm doing. That cute girl over there is filming. Please include some of her footage. Here's her footage now.
You want dada. Mama, dada. Mama.
Sí, pero con cuidado.
Lay down for now.
Oh my goodness.
I have to sleep again. I'm just gonna go get stuff and I'll let go. Go. But go. Thanks, Dad.
What's going on? What's going on with my butt? Why is everybody grabbing my butt? Oh no, this is about to be extra. What's going on?
I've lost control of the situation.
What happened here?
Yeah.
Alex got out all the tubs and then decided he's gonna fill the tubs with water jugs. It's jugs and tubs.
When I